What if the machine gun was invented a century before its time? In 1718, James Puckle unveiled his revolutionary Puckle Gun in London, a tripod-mounted, rapid-fire weapon designed to unleash devastating volleys. Promising to change warfare forever, it boasted a revolving cylinder, allowing faster shots than any musket of its day. Yet, despite public demonstrations and bold claims, the invention was met with skepticism, and few were ever built. Was it too complex, too expensive, or simply ahead of its era? The true fate of the Puckle Gun remains one of history's most tantalizing firearm mysteries.